Hello, this is the release kickoff for the configure group for 12.10. This is the first time that the new unsplit or remerged configure group will have a milestone. So currently I'm still presenting you two plans. One, the plan with the system group, and the other, the plan with the orchestration group, but actually we are going to work on these already together with the people who will stay in the group. Let me start with the system plan, which is much more risky. Basically, the team will probably leave, the majority of the team will leave the group during this milestone, so we don't know yet when they leave and how much work they will be able to accomplish here. As a result, we have a pretty minimal plan. Basically, these are the stretch goals from 12.9 that we inherited for 12.10 as well. We would like to finally ship the Knative developments that were ongoing. They don't even have a specific issue because it's mostly about deployment. And besides this, we have Terraform related issues, as you can see. We already spoke about the Terraform plans in merge requests that we would like to ship. That's an ongoing development already, and GitLab managed Terraform state is an ongoing development as well. At the same time, with UX, we have an agreement that once we ship these features, there will be a scorecard evaluation of our Terraform offerings to see whether we can actually say that we are viable already. Finally, we have the independence of trigger mesh, which means that we try to own the Knative charts there just to make it sure that we can get back to it whenever we have to. Now let's turn to the orchestration plans. Here, everything that you can see is as well inherited from 12.9. Basically, we have two goals. One is to continue work on the cluster management project, both in terms of providing the charts that are already available under GitLab managed app version 1.0, which are baked into the UI, like the Knative CI template, and filling up the gaps with other templates that are needed in case of Prometheus, for example. And we would like to work towards getting a better idea of how we can put all this into the UI as well. Moreover, our second goal is to understand better the possibilities and needs around auto DevOps, especially in air-gapped networks and in more production, higher scale production setups. For this, we are going to work with supporting cloud-native build packs, and actually we are thinking a lot about what breaking changes we might want to introduce in 13.0, for which we might have to add some development here. Otherwise, we are working on some upgrades and the cluster management redesign work.